Time isn't something we own, it's something we're constantly spending, whether we realize it or not. And every day we waste becomes a debt we can never repay. Maybe you've spent months waiting for the right moment, or years giving your energy to people who never valued you back. Maybe you've lost time to fears that never became real, or to overthinking every step instead of taking one. But here's the truth: someday is a lie we tell ourselves to feel safe. The only day that matters is today. Who you are is not defined by your intentions for the future, but by your actions right now. So ask yourself, what are you spending your time on, and is it building the life you want? Most of us grow up following a script that was never ours. We try to meet the expectations of parents, teachers, or society, until one day, we wake up and wonder why our life doesn't feel like our own. We were taught to fit in, not to become who we truly are. Epictetus once asked, "How long will you wait before you demand the best for yourself?" And that question still stings today. Life isn't a rehearsal. You don't get a second draft. Every hour you spend trying to please people who barely notice your effort is an hour you never get back. Your time belongs to you. So ask yourself, are you living by your own standards, or just playing a role someone else wrote for you? Learning to say no is one of the greatest acts of self-respect. Every time you say yes to something unimportant, you're quietly saying no to the things that truly matter. Seneca reminded us, it's not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it. And most of that waste comes from commitments we never wanted in the first place. You don't owe anyone an explanation for protecting your peace, your energy, or your time. Refusing something isn't selfish, it's sacred. It's choosing your life on purpose. So ask yourself, how many things are you saying yes to out of guilt, habit, or fear? And what would your life look like if you only said yes to what actually moves you forward? Pain doesn't break you, it breaks your illusions. It strips away the stories you used to hide behind and shows you exactly who you are. Every scar you carry is proof that you survived something that could have destroyed you. And now you have a choice: let that pain weaken you, or let it become fuel. Marcus Aurelius said, "The impediment to action advances action," reminding us that obstacles aren't roadblocks but raw material for growth. Loss can sharpen your focus. Suffering can make your discipline unshakable. So ask yourself, what if the hardest moments of your life weren't setbacks but training? What if the very thing that hurt you is the thing that will make you unstoppable next? Our lives are drowning in noise, notifications, gossip, pointless drama, and a constant stream of distractions designed to steal our attention. And the truth is, society has trained us to lose focus without even noticing it. Most people don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because their energy is scattered everywhere, except where it should be. If you can't control your attention, the world will gladly control it for you. That's why discipline isn't just about habits, it's about protecting your mental space. Silence gives you clarity. Presence gives you power. So ask yourself, how many hours of your life are being traded for nothing? And what would happen if you reclaimed just a fraction of that attention for something meaningful? One of the biggest wastes of time is trying to prove your worth to people who are determined not to see it. Some will judge you, mock you, or misunderstand you not because you're wrong, but because their own limitations won't let them see beyond their fears. Seneca advised us to walk with those who lift us up, not those who drain us. You are not obligated to stay in places where your soul feels small. Let people leave if they want to leave. Your peace is worth far more than their approval. And remember, some people are only meant to be part of one chapter of your life, not the whole story. So ask yourself, who are you holding on to that your future has already outgrown? Imagine for a moment that your time could end today. Marcus Aurelius said, "You could leave life right now." Thinking this way isn't meant to scare you, it's meant to sharpen your focus, destroy excuses, and make every decision count. Too many of us wait for the perfect moment, the ideal conditions, or the right motivation, forgetting that life moves on, with or without us. Awareness of time transforms ordinary choices into meaningful actions. It forces you to act now, to speak your truth, and to pursue what matters before it's too late. So ask yourself, if you knew your days were limited, what would you finally start doing today that you've been putting off for years? Still breathing, and right now you are capable of rebuilding your life from this very moment. The mistakes you made yesterday, the time you feel you've lost, they don't define your future, only your actions today do. Remember, the 6 truths: live by your own values, say no without guilt, turn pain into discipline, remove distractions, accept that some people will never understand you, and treat your time as precious and finite. Life isn't about perfection, it's about how deeply and honestly you choose to live. So take a breath, reclaim your focus, and commit to living with awareness. Every choice now shapes the person you are becoming. What will you choose today?